So there are certain techniques that are there in ghazal. जैसे मींड होता है. Meend is like gliding through one note to the next using the frequencies in the middle. Like for example, this is a meend, that bend. You're actually coming from two notes, but then beach ke bhi frequencies aap use kar rahe ho. There's a khatka, which is like we used it for Besharam Rang. Nasha chadha jo sharifi ka sharifi. That khatka, that jerk of the notes, you jolt them. These kind of things I've gotten from the ghazal in this. Hi, this is Shilpa Rao and you're watching Mashable Tod 4. It always starts with Siddharth Anand teaching me the song. It's like a ritual, I think, since Khuda Jane, I think it's been the same. So I think the first session of Besharam Rang was just Sid, Vishal Shekhar, Kumar and me at YRF. Figuring the mukhra of it. So Kumar had already written it and it's not an easy song to write. So the first task was to get the song in a particular tempo at the correct pitch so that it sounds coherent, sounds new, sounds unique. So I think that's what we did on the first day. That we did nothing else. So there was no track ready for it. We just had a rhythm loop at that particular key. So I chose that key. Vishal said, I think you can push a little more. So then we pitched it up a little bit. And that's how we nailed the first day of recording. By the second recording session, the track was ready. The antra was also ready. And then we did that. So again, Sid wanted something. He was very clear. He's always very clear of what his vision is. So he wanted a song that celebrates yourself. There's this one line after the antra, which goes, that part. So I think I did that and there was this unanimous, oh yeah, this is amazing. My taaleem since I was a child was for ghazal because I've been in love with ghazal since I was 10 or 11. So there are certain techniques that are there in ghazal, जैसे मींड होता है. Meend is like gliding through one note to the next using the frequencies in the middle. Like for example, this is a meend, that bend. You're actually coming from two notes, but then beach ke bhi frequencies aap use kar rahe ho. So that's a meend, which is a very unique thing for ghazal. That gives you a lot of expression. There's a khatka, which is like we used it for Besharam Rang. Nasha chadha jo sharifi ka sharifi. That khatka, that jerk of the notes, you jolt them. So these are little hacks. Hacks bolu kya? These are techniques of singing which are very particular for ghazal because they add to expression, they add to the style of it. These kind of things I've gotten from the ghazal in this. And of course, it's very important to pronounce words very, very well. I don't think there's any compromise on that. It's either you're doing it or you're not doing it. There's nothing in between. Any language, be it Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, Punjabi, anything that you're singing, it's important to make that effort to pronounce it well. And it's not cool to sing Hindi in an anglicized way by mispronouncing words. I don't think it's cool. So I feel that people should make an effort to get the nuqta right. खुशी है तो खुशी बोलना ज़रूरी है. खुदा है तो आपको बोलना ज़रूरी है. आप खुशी नहीं गा सकते हो. That's wrong. There's no word called खुशी. It's खुशी. There's a nuqta. It's been used for a certain way. उसका एक वो नुक्ते का एक pronunciation, उसकी meaning. So I don't think we think of the actor. I think we think of the character. So if I express myself for the character, she does the same with the video. So it's like we do half the jobs for each other. And oh, she killed it. I think that वही line था, नशा चढ़ा जो शरीफी का उतार फेंका, because it's not an easy line. क्योंकि जो उसकी जगहें थी ना, वो उस तरह करना. नशा चढ़ा जो शरीफी का उतार फेंका है. So फेंका है वो उतार फेंका है. So that has to be done at ease. The brief from Sid was very clear that you are expressing yourself unapologetically. I was given 2 words, I think Spain and beach. Yeah. I think I don't need anything more, yeah. इतना detailing ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think you should use your sense of imagination, and that's what we do. We are still children trapped in grown-ups' bodies, and we still think like children, and we actually use our imagination to create this world for you guys, and I hope we're doing a good job. With vocal riyaz, I think consistency is very important. You might not be able to sit and do riyaz every single day, but make sure that you find that time. Okay, 2 दिन हो गए, 3 दिन हो गए, तो चौथे दिन आप बैठ करके उसको सॉर्ट करेंगे.